Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about how to rank your YouTube videos. So if you have been following me for the past week, you're going to see that in the last 4 days, I've created 4 different videos showing you how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube step by step. And all of the links to these videos are going to be in the description below. But for today, this is our final video in the series. And I'm going to be showing you how you can rank your YouTube videos as soon as you publish them on the platform. So let's get started, guys. This is the channel that we created in the series, guys, and this is the video that we uploaded yesterday. Now I'm going to be showing you free and paid methods that you can use to rank your videos right away as soon as you publish them to the platform. Now go ahead and open up your video in a new tab, guys, and you want to go ahead and grab this link here at the top. Now what you want to do is actually build backlinks to your profile, to your YouTube video right away as soon as you publish them. So you want to go ahead and grab the link to your YouTube video, guys, and you can go ahead and post it on sites that can give you free YouTube backlinks. So the first one we're going to go to is this free YouTube backlink generator, and you want to go ahead and just paste your link in there, guys. Paste your link, and you want to remove everything after or before these letters and numbers here and click on generate. Now this is a site called sas.web.id. I'm going to leave a link in the description below that you can use to go ahead and start generating your backlinks to your YouTube video. So this is a free site, guys, and you don't pay a dime, and you need to wait and keep this window open until they have finished generating all of your backlinks. And the best part about this is that you can go ahead and open each of these links, guys, to see exactly where your videos are being published so that you know exactly that this is working. There you go. This is a site that they're going to publish your video to, and you want all of these backlinks going back to your videos. Next, guys, you want to go to this site called nimtools.com, and you also want to go ahead and paste in your YouTube video link and click on generate. Now this is going to generate all of the different backlinks for you from this profile, and that did not work on the first try, so we're going to do that again, and we want to click on submit. So there you go, you have all of these different backlinks, and you want to leave this open until it finish creating your backlinks for you. So guys, this is another site that I use to get backlinks for my blog posts, for all of my different things that I do online, guys. So all you got to do is go here. It's called Zeerk.com, and you want to type in your keywords, and here I have YouTube backlinks, and you want to filter it by rating, and you want to come down here. You have some cheap offers here that you can purchase for your YouTube videos as soon as you publish them onto the platform. And you want to look for projects that have high reviews so that you know that they actually work, and you go ahead and purchase them and order your backlinks for your videos. We have Facebook, guys. So all you got to do is go onto Facebook, type in your niche, and you want to filter them by groups, and you can try to go for public groups, but it doesn't really matter because it takes time to actually get accepted into these groups. So once you find a group that is relevant to your niche, you can go ahead and join the group, and then you want to go back to your video and you click on share. So once you click on share, it's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and click on Facebook. When you click on Facebook, it's going to give you a pop-up page that you can use to share the videos to certain groups. So here you can choose the group that you want to share it to, and you type in the group name. So let's say make money, because I have not joined any of the groups yet, guys. So I can just type that in there and choose the group that I want, and you can type in something here that has to do with your video, guys, and you can go ahead and post it to Facebook. Now this is very important because YouTube actually wants you to publish your videos to Facebook and Twitter, guys. So let's go on to the next method. Now you want to go back to your video and also click on share, guys, and you want to click on Blogger. You want to get a backlink from Blogger for this particular video. Every time you create a video, you need a backlink from Blogger. So once you do that, you can go ahead and add in some text in here if you want, and whichever account that you're signed into, it's gonna open up that account and give you the ability to publish that post. So you can just go ahead and click on publish, and that is it. Then you can go back to your video and continue to share your post. So now we're going to share this to Reddit. But the first thing you need to do is go to Reddit and open up an account, and you need to search for subreddits that are in your niche. So here we have tutorials and all of that different subreddits that are related to your niche. You can just go ahead and type it in there to find the different subreddits that are related. And here we have tutorials. You need to join their subreddit. And here is another subreddit called videos. Now you want to go back to your video, guys, and once you click on share, you need to choose a community. So I'm going to go with tutorials for this one. Just begin to type. Okay, and they're going to show you the subreddits that you are in, and you can go ahead and choose a flare. But before you post anything to a subreddit, you are going to have to read the rules of that subreddit. So for this one, we're able to post YouTube videos. So if we go back here, you're going to see that there are tons of different YouTube videos, and it's also related to our niche. So we're going to go back there, and we're going to go ahead and post this video to that particular subreddit. Now sometimes, yeah, as you can see here, they're not going to allow your post into those subreddits, so you can go ahead and try again. So next, I'm going to try to save it to our videos, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to continue trying as well. So we have our videos here, and you need to choose a flare, and here once you open up the subreddit that you want to post to, it's going to give you all of the rules of that particular subreddit. So I'm going to go ahead and try to post this as well, and I'm going to go back to my video. This one was accepted to the group, and as you can see, there's 37,000 members online, and this is a very quick way to get backlinks and views to your videos right away as soon as you publish them on YouTube. So next, guys, you have Tumblr here, and you want to make sure to save your videos to as many platforms as you possibly can. And you need to have accounts on these platforms to be able to save your videos there. So once you add or you save the video to a platform, they're going to give you certain rules. And for Tumblr, you're going to have to add tags. So let's go with graphic design. And as you begin to type, it's going to give you other tags that you can use in your post as well. So once you're done, you just want to click on post and go back to your video, guys. So you have other options here that you can go ahead and save your videos to. But for Pinterest, guys, you want to create an image for your video. So to do that, you just need to go onto Canva. You want to create a design custom dimension, and you want to go with 564 by 1128. Create your design, add in your keywords at the top, guys. So let's say we have free Facebook cover templates. Okay, and then you want to go to elements, choose a grid, and you can choose the color of your grid. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to go back to elements, choose that one. Okay, and I'm just gonna create this design, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second, guys. Okay, guys, so this is what I was able to come up with for Pinterest that is related to my video and is branded, guys. So all you want to do is copy your keywords here, and you want to download this to your computer. Now once you do, you want to go on to Pinterest, and if you do have group boards on Pinterest, guys, this is going to be perfect for you. So you go on to Pinterest, guys, and you click on this pin icon here, and you want to upload your video. So those keywords that you copy, you just want to paste that in there, get your image there, and how to get free Facebook cover images, templates for your Facebook profile. Okay, now you want to go ahead and add in a description, and we're going to add the link to our YouTube video. Okay guys, so I added my description and I added in some hashtags that I know that people search for on Pinterest. So I have social media marketing and social media. I'm going to go back to my video and I'm going to copy the link to the YouTube video. I'm going to go back to Pinterest guys and I'm going to add that in there. Now you want to make sure that you remove the seconds from the end of the link, or else your video is going to start whatever time is at the end of the link. So once you're done, you want to select a group board, or if you do have a board guys that's related to this particular topic, you can go ahead and save it onto there. But for me, I have a group board that has something to do with social media marketing, so I'm going to go ahead and publish my pin onto there. So this is how you're going to have to use Pinterest to get traffic to your YouTube videos whenever you release them. So guys, the last method I have for you is actually Medium. You want to go onto Medium and you want to create a profile. So once you do that, because this site can get you a lot of traffic and high backlinks to your YouTube video, you want to go ahead and create a profile. Once you do, go to New Story, and this is where you can go ahead and add in the title of your video. Oops, there was the link. Now I'm going to go back to the video guys, and I'm going to copy the title, go back to Medium, paste that in there. And I have a little description that I wrote here. I'm going to copy that, go back to Medium, guys. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and add in my little description, paste, and then you're going to come down here. Once you click the enter tab, it's going to give you this little plus sign that you can use to grab your embed code. So you can go ahead and click on the embed, go back to your YouTube video guys, and you want to click on share. Once you do, you are going to get the same embed sign here where you can use to go ahead and copy your embed code. Go back to Medium and you want to paste that in there guys. So once you do, you click on enter, and that is it. So it's going to take a second to load your video onto the platform, and once you do, you can go ahead and click on publish guys. Now this is how you can add your tags in here as well. Let's go with graphic design. Okay, so you have graphic design and then you have graphics. So as you begin to type, it's going to give you other keywords that you can go ahead and add to your, we already have graphics in there, so let's put in tutorials. Okay, tutorial. Okay, and that is enough. And you want to add a high quality image which is going to show at the top of your Medium post. So we already have an image from our YouTube video, so we can go ahead and add in our image here as well. So if you don't have an image guys, it's going to pull in the image from your YouTube videos onto here guys, and that is what it's going to show as a preview to your story. So once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on publish, and it is going to publish your story. You can grab the link and share it with your friends, but you do not need to do that. And as you can see here, there you go, you have your backlink to your YouTube videos. This is so easy to do. It's going to take you a little bit of time guys, but you need to do this to be able to get all of those backlinks to rank your video at the top spot, to start getting traffic right away from YouTube. So last but not least, we have Quora, which I actually forgot to mention, but this is great for getting traffic right away to your YouTube videos guys, and you can get subscribers from this as well. So you can just go ahead and type in whatever it is your video is about, and you want to sort this by the time, like the past hour, the past day, the past week, so that you can get questions that have been asked recently that you can go ahead and answer, and then people are going to go ahead and click on your link and go to your YouTube videos. So this is how you are able to rank your YouTube videos on YouTube above your competition, get views, and all of that good stuff. So I hope this series actually helped you guys understand how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, how to rank your videos and make money from your videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, And don't forget to like and subscribe and stay awesome until next time.